I can't help it. I come out here to my worm bin, and I mean, it's just, look at that. Look, the plants. Now, what I do when this takes place, I pull off my cover, the old beat up cardboard. I pull it off, get it out the way. And what I do is this. I'll take, now, if it's something I want to plant, like watermelons or potatoes or okra, then what I'll do is I'll dig it out, roots and all, then I'll go transplant. But if it's something like this, butter beans, I just pull them up, throw them back down, and let the worms have it. It'll go right back into the mix. That's what, but it never ceases to amaze me how much you can grow. See, your seeds, look at them. This is old butter beans I found in the shed that I had left over from a year or so ago. Look at that. I just keep pulling them up, throwing them back in there, and eventually they'll go back into the mix, and the worms will just eat it. But you can grow most any seed, believe me. Like I said before, something like I want to transplant at the right time of the year, okra, watermelons, stuff like that, nothing to it. That's what I'll do. But rest of the year, I just pull it up, feed it back to the animals. And it does a pretty good job. I haven't dug around in here in a while. Okay, boy, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. Okay.